Tired of slow internet? We've tested the best Wi-Fi extenders and mesh systems to create the fastest, most reliable network for your home. Our today's video is about 5 best Wi-Fi extenders to boost your internet signal which are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at TP-Link Deco B65. TP-Link has a wide range of extenders and mesh systems, and the B65 is a whole home mesh system. I tested the 3-pack, like Orbi and Nest Wi-Fi Pro, with this pack sitting between those others on price. Setup is simple using the Deco app on your smartphone that will take you step by step through the process. I was up and running in about 15 minutes and setup seemed smoother than Nest Wi-Fi Pro. This is a tri-band system, so offers good speeds, and like its price, it sits between Orbi and Nest Wi-Fi Pro in terms of performance. What I like is that each node has 4 Ethernet connections, so it's easy to wire in additional devices, giving it an advantage over Nest Wi-Fi Pro which only has 2. I also found the range to be better than Nest Wi-Fi Pro, but in terms of overall performance, it doesn't quite match Netgear's Orbi. Parental controls are easily accessed through the Deco app, allowing you to set up profiles for your kids' devices so you can block mature content. Now our second product is Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro. Google wins the prize for design, with compact glossy white Wi-Fi routers that are a lot more discreet than the units from the likes of Netgear or Aero. They are more compact, but there's a downside: there's only 2 Ethernet ports on the router, so connecting wired devices like smart home hubs could be more difficult. Setup was mostly simple, but is handled through the Google Home app on your phone. This involves a little more effort than the setup of Orbi or Aero, and once set up, finding information takes a little more digging. TP-Link, Netgear, and Aero all have dedicated apps, full of information, but it feels like Google just wants this to blend into the background, and you might be okay with that. The performance of Nest Wi-Fi Pro was great, and although it doesn't match the speeds of the best systems, this tri-band Wi-Fi 6 system gives you 3 access points for almost half the price of some other systems. And our third product is Netgear Orbi 960 series. Netgear's Orbi system has a reputation for delivering the best performance when it comes to mesh systems, but you pay for it. I tested the Orbi 950 Black Edition, which comes as a 3-pack with a router and satellites, but the white version comes in single or twin packs, at lower cost, so you can only buy what you need. Setup of the Orbi system is run through the app. The app isn't as polished as Aero, and I found it took a little longer, but I was setting up 3 units, not just 1. That said, it just took a little more patience for a setup that lasted around 30 minutes. The app shows all the connected devices, with the option to pause on demand. You can set up profiles, allowing closer monitoring of an individual's usage, but advanced parental controls cost more: £50 a year for time limit and content filtering controls for individual devices. Now number 4, Amazon Aero Max 7. Aero is an Amazon brand, with a range of models in the Aero family. Aero is also the brand that TalkTalk is now offering for its router, so if you're a full fiber customer, this is what you get. Setup of Aero Max 7 is very easy, thanks to the great app. The highly polished app will guide you through the process step by step, with additional instructions on how to connect to the UK's most popular broadband providers. I was up and running with Aero Max 7 in about 10 minutes on BT Broadband. The app will show you what devices are connected and give you individual control over them, so you can pause a particular device if you want to restrict access. These can also be linked to profiles, so all your kids' devices could be on one profile and on a schedule, for example. A big advantage of the system is Aero built-in, which some recent Echo devices offer. That means an existing Echo Dot can become a mesh Wi-Fi extender, making for a cheap way to build the system using smart speakers rather than buying more Aero nodes. And our last product is TP-Link RE550 Mesh Wi-Fi Extender. Simplicity is the name of the game here. You simply have to plug it in and follow the instructions in the TP-Link Tether app to get up and running. As this is a Wi-Fi extender or Wi-Fi booster, it works with your existing modem and Wi-Fi network and is an affordable way to add Wi-Fi to an area of the home that it might not reach. To do so, the RE550 is equipped with strong antenna, linking to your existing Wi-Fi network and then creating a new network that extends beyond your previous setup. This is different to a mesh network in that it's not seamless, so you'll have to deliberately connect to that new network to use it. If you don't, there's a good chance that you'll stay connected to your existing weak Wi-Fi signal. The advantage of the RE550 is that it's a single plug solution, so it's ideal if you want, for example, to add connectivity down your garden or onto the top floor of your house. After setup, you can move the plug to expand that connection as far as you can, with a tool in the app to guide you. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.